Do you want TalkBack to announce information in a different order? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you customize the order in which TalkBack describe items on the screen. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility, tap TalkBack, then tap Setting, scroll down the screen, tap Advanced Setting, tap Element Description Order. Here you will see three options: state, name, type, type, name, state, and name, type, state. By default, state, name, type is selected. The setting changes the order in which TalkBack announces information about an item. For example, imagine a Wi-Fi switch that is turned on. With state, name, type, TalkBack might say on Wi-Fi switch. With type, name, state, it will say switch Wi-Fi on, and with name, type, state, it may say Wi-Fi switch on. The information stays the same, but the speaking order changes. For this example, let's select name, type, state. Now turn on TalkBack and navigate to a menu item or switch using TalkBack.
TalkBack. Advanced settings. Reduce window announcement delay and list 15 items. Tap to activate.
You can notice that TalkBack announces the item name first, followed by its type and then its current state. Then, which option should you choose? State name type is useful if you want to hear an item's current state immediately. Type name state may be helpful if you want to know what kind of control you are focused on first. Or name type state is useful if you prefer hearing the item's name before anything else. And that's how you change the element description order in TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.